Transform your vision into a stunning online reality by building your own professional website with WordPress. First, you'll need a home for your website online. This involves choosing a reliable web hosting provider and registering a unique domain name €. That's your website's address on the internet. Once your hosting is set up, it's time to install WordPress. Most hosting providers offer a one-click WordPress installation, making this step incredibly simple and quick. Welcome to your WordPress dashboard. This is your control center. From here, you'll manage every aspect of your website. Don't be intimidated. It's designed to be user-friendly. The next crucial step is selecting a theme. Think of themes as the visual skin of your website. WordPress offers thousands of free and premium themes to match any style or purpose, from elegant blogs to professional portfolios. Go to Appearance, then Themes, and explore the vast library. Once you find one you love, simply install and activate it. Your website's look will instantly transform. Now, let's add content. Use the Pages and Posts features to create your core information like About Us, Contact, and individual blog articles. The intuitive editor makes adding text, images, and formatting a breeze. To make your pages visually engaging, upload your own images through the media library. You can easily resize and align them within your content. To extend your website's functionality, you'll use plugins. Think of them as apps for your website. Explore the plugin directory to find tools for SEO, contact forms, security, and so much more. Search for a plugin you need, install it, and then activate it. Many plugins have simple settings you can configure to tailor them to your specific needs. Personalize your site further with the customizer here. You can tweak your site's title, tagline, colors, menus, and other visual elements in real time, seeing changes as you make them. And just like that, you've taken the essential steps to creating a professional WordPress website. With these foundations, you're ready to launch and build your powerful online presence.